the screwdriver comes with 3 plus a bonus bit. It looks like this. We call it the Alt for the U-load tool because when the bits do wear out, you're able to just go back to an in-store display or we're available on Amazon, pick those bits up and refill the screwdriver.
Right.
So no longer, like for us, contractors' issue was, you know, I bought my screwdriver, I burned out the one bit I need to use, I gotta buy a whole new screwdriver.
So that feels like heavy duty plastic. Is this like a durable contractor grade plastic?
Rolf, what is the actual material used? Because it's not.
Okay, so it's a triax material. It's the abrasive, chemically, and impact resistant high molecular plastic. This is the spine. It's what holds everything together. You can run over that screwdriver, you can drop it, you can try to break it. This thing is bulletproof.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. And so you have all this selection of different sizes.
We have the world's largest selection of double end impact bits.
So you heard it from Adam. He's got the world's largest.
I have said it.
Double end impact bits. So, all right, that's pretty cool. So, I mean, we're always like, as a painters, we're always looking for multiple screwdrivers, different types of screwdrivers for switch plates, lights, I mean, for electrical stuff. So,
For your switch plates,
okay.
internal hardware. So now instead of having to find the random slot drive, because all the interior hardware generally is going to be a Phillips, but to find a slot drive is the bigger pain in the butt. Now it's all in one.
So show me how easy these things go in and out. Take some.
Sure.
Okay, like stick this one back in.
Yep. So
and say,
load and lock.
Okay, I'm gonna hide it. So now I'm gonna say I need a flat head to remove a switch plate.
I find silver. Silver is our slot drive, so it's all color coded.
Color coded.
So I can rotate this, but the second I see silver, I know what I'm grabbing. I can pinch, pull it out. It allows me to slide it in. The same as an impact driver. All of a sudden, I got to take off that faceplate we're talking about. Same thing.
So that's so much better than searching through all my stupid little boxes.
100%.
DeWalt boxes, Milwaukee boxes,
Ryobi
boxes. It's obnoxious. So I actually really like that. That's pretty cool.